Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and it may not look like much right now, but last night this was the location of a wild marshmallow roasting party. And by wild, I mean kids in pajamas sitting around the fireplace roasting marshmallows. We were able to do this because of these marshmallow roasting sticks by CARPATHEN. This set comes with a great storage bag for all of the accessories. Also, I like that these sticks are color-coded because you know how kids are arguing over which stick is theirs. No, that one's mine. No, that one's mine. Well, now we each get to pick our favorite color, and then that one is ours. This doesn't look like much. It's small, but it does extend so your little ones or you don't have to get too close to the fire. They can be a nice, safe distance away. The prongs on these are also really sharp, so we did have to let our kids know because they would have ended up attacking each other. And they're super sharp, so the marshmallows fit on really nicely. I personally did a strawberry and a marshmallow together, and it was so good. They are sharp, but they do have these rubber tips that you can put on the ends to keep them nice and safe. And they even come with a few bonus tips, which, hello, that is a brilliant idea because these little things can easily get lost, and they come with several extras in case you lose these. These would be a great addition to any camping trip or marshmallow roasting party. And that's my point of view.